Good afternoon, Vanessa Jane.
Good afternoon too, ma'am.
Can you tell me about yourself?
I'm Vanessa Jane Laulong, ma'am, 23 years old. Coming 24 this coming December 29. Married and I have 3 kids. Their age is the first 6 years old, second is 4 years old, and the third is 2 years old, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, I have few questions for you to answer, so let's start. Why do you want to
Yes,
work
ma'am.
as a maid?
Because I want to help my family in terms in financial expenses, ma'am.
Okay. Why choose Malaysia when there's a lot of other country?
Because Malaysia is similar in the Philippines and I feel safe there, ma'am.
Okay. How are you qualified for this job?
Qualified for this job, ma'am, because I have already passed the pre-medical examination.
Okay. May I know what is your educational level?
I am a high school graduate, ma'am, in Zamboanga del Norte National
Okay.
High School.
What is your recent experience?
My recent experience, ma'am, is sales clerk in Bandangan
Okay.
Hardware.
Have you worked abroad before? Do you have experience of taking care of baby? Whose baby you taking care of?
My
Okay.
son, ma'am.
How about elderly people?
Yes, ma'am, because I have already my great-grandparents.
Do you have any other special skills?
Yes, ma'am. I know how to do handicrafts like native products, printers, bag, hat.
Okay. Are you willing to learn new skills? Are you willing to work
Yes,
with a
ma'am.
family where the mother-in-law or any relatives stay together? Currently,
Yes,
are you
ma'am.
still working now? Do you know how to cook?
No, ma'am.
What sort of food can you
Yes,
cook?
ma'am.
Like what?
Filipino food, ma'am. Prito.
Okay.
Fried
Are you aware that you will have to do washing, cleaning, ironing, and cooking? From all the house chores,
Yes, ma'am.
which do you like most? Okay. If ever you
Cleaning,
were
ma'am.
selected to work in Malaysia, who will take care of your kids? Okay. How much is the
My
salary
parents,
as a
ma'am.
maid in Malaysia as you agreed and understand? Okay. What is the
1,200
tourist
ringgits, ma'am.
agency have fixed in Malaysia?
The tourist fixed agency, ma'am, in Malaysia is
How
12
many
day
years is
off,
the
no
contract
cell
as you
phone.
agreed and understand? Can you describe for me your
2 years
ethics?
contract, ma'am. Hardworking, ma'am. I choose hardworking because I want to spend. I need money
How
to
can you
spend
assure to
the needs
us
of my
that you will
family.
work hard in Malaysia? Okay. Can you promise not to use the telephone without the permission of your employer? Can you promise not to put on makeup but to dress properly while work? Can you promise not to invite friends and relatives without the consent of your employer? Can you promise not to ask for advance salary from your employer under any circumstances? Do you really understand of the rules and regulations of the agency? Do you pay any placement fee for you to come to Malaysia to work as a maid? Do you have any history of sickness, example breast cancer or other illness? Do you suffer from any skin diseases, allergy,
No,
or
ma'am.
physical defect? Do you suffer from any serious illness?
No, ma'am.
Have you undergone any operation?
No, ma'am.
Are you medically fit?
No, ma'am.
Are you on any medication?
Yes,
Are
ma'am.
you allergic with any food?
No, ma'am.
Okay, Vanessa Jane, we have finished our
No,
question
ma'am.
section. Let's go to case study. I have two
Yes,
case
ma'am.
studies for you and I want you to answer me truthfully, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, number 1. Upon arrival in Malaysia within 6 months,
Ma'am.
if ever any of your family members passed away, what will you do? Will you continue to work till finish your contract or you will go back? Okay, number 2.
I will
Once you
continue
reach
my work
Malaysia,
until I
let's
finish
say
my
if you don't
contract,
like to
ma'am.
work and you want to go back, you have to bear the entire damages and the losses. Are you agreed for that? Okay. Okay, Vanessa Jane. What
Yes,
do you
ma'am,
want to
because I
tell the
did not
employer
finish
who
my
watching your
contract.
video right now?
Please, ma'am, if you choose me as your housemaid,
Okay. Thank
I
you
do my
very
very
much,
best to
Vanessa
cater
Jane.
your
We will
household
update to
needs,
your
ma'am.
agency if there's any selection made by the employer.